Okay, so what's happening with the, oh, good, sorry, with the adult EAL program?
Well, the funding that the board receives from IRCC will be finishing at the end of March. So we've informed the instructors and we've informed the clients that those programs are not going to be able to occur beyond that date from our hosting perspective, but that we've been working very closely with iSANS, and we would very much like to see as seamless as transition as possible to programs that iSANS provides.
So is this the case that the funding is just not going to the Halifax School Board, but it's going to iSANS, or is there like some overlap? Like how exactly does it work?
Well, our understanding is that IRCC are going to be making a decision in late February as to how the funding is going to be allocated, but they made it somewhat clear to us when we were asking questions in the last few months that they're looking to fund multi-service agencies, so those agencies that can support newcomers not only with language instruction but in other areas like employment and housing, and they suggested that we speak with iSANS. So I'm not sure how the funding is going to be allocated, but our understanding is that they are looking at their model of support across the country and that they are looking to multi-service agencies like iSANS. iSANS has told us that they are planning to expand on April 1st. So we've been working very closely with them to support not only the clients but also the instructors, and iSANS is very interested in speaking with both groups to see about a transition.
Perfect. And are there any job losses going to be happening with this?
Well, what we had to do, because we have a duty to those employees, is we provided them with a notice that the program would be ending. So they've been given their notice that we will no longer be employing them. iSANS has told us that they're very interested in speaking with the instructors about possible employment with them, but I don't know exactly how that's going to shake out for every individual, but I can understand totally, and we sympathize why it would be very concerning for not only the instructors but also for the clients.
Perfect. Now, how many instructors and how many clients are we talking about?
Well, the LINK program is the federally funded program, and there's 350 approximately students in it, and the instructors, there's around 40.
Well, we actually, one of the things we said when they told us they were going to that model funding was we asked them, do we need to be a bridge for you in terms of we don't want to see anyone disadvantaged in the transition. So if you need us to continue to do this for a period of time and wanted to provide us with funding while you establish these programs, we'd be more than happy to do that. And they said to us that they did not believe that that was going to be the case, but they also thanked us very much for providing that those programming for them on their behalf for the last 20 plus years.
That's how long that program has been in place, more than 20 years?
Well, the LINK program has been offered in both Halifax and Dartmouth prior to school board amalgamation in 1996. So it started in the late 80s, and probably because at that time there were very few organizations that were providing support to newcomers, because it just wasn't as important as it is nowadays in Nova Scotia with the number of newcomers that are coming here each year to our province. So I believe that's kind of what spurred, not only here locally but also in other areas of the country, that IRCC wanted to look at their model of support and working with agencies which do that in all aspects of their business.